Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to show you 3 really easy but beautiful looks that you can use for your Thanksgiving place setting for all of your guests. You definitely want to impress them. Don't spend too much on that budget, but also have a nice quick setup that will just wow your guests. So go ahead and start with this first look here. We're using basically 4 things: dinnerware, napkin ring, charger plate, and fabric napkin. And we're using our eggplant purple napkin, 20 inches by 20 inches in polyester. You're going to fold it into a triangle and then bring in both sides of the triangle to make a diamond. Bring that side in, and then that side kind of point, you're going to make it nice and flush with this side line there. So here we're using our 13-inch gold round wooden texture charger plates. Love these for the holidays. Very, very popular, using obviously a dinner plate, a salad plate, and then our eggplant purple napkin with that gold acrylic napkin ring. All the napkin rings come in sets. Make sure you check in the description below. We'll have everything listed for you. Beautiful, really rich, dark color there that goes really well with the gold. So moving on to our second look, obviously you're going to need some dinnerware again, a napkin ring, charger plate, fabric napkin, and an ornament. Bringing our willow green napkin here and folding in half, and then in half the other way into a square look. You're going to take that center fold, bring it up, and then that bottom part of the square, you're going to bring it up almost kind of like a napkin hot dog there, just squeezing on that spiral silver design metal napkin ring. And now you're just going to manipulate the napkin to make it really nice in the actual napkin ring. Love this because it has a great design to the napkin ring. Here we're using our 12-inch silver brushed metal look square charger, pairing it really nicely with some dinnerware that's round, and it has that beautiful silver outlining there on the edge. Really goes well with that charger plate, and of course the napkin ring as well. You're just going to stick like some fake berries or a succulent on top just to bring that fall look into the whole setting and bringing it together. Your guests are really going to love that. So look number 3, we are definitely using some bold colors yet again. You're going to need a napkin and a couple other things. Here we're taking our chocolate brown napkin, folding it in kind of a tri-fold there from bottom to top. Now you're going to put it on the side there because we're going to kind of incorporate it into the actual place setting itself. So here we're using our 13-inch orange round beaded charger plate, very kind of dark, rich, burnt orange there, and taking our large dinner plate, then we're going to put that napkin on top, kind of folding the top third of it down, and then placing a small salad plate on top and topping it off with a really beautiful ivory pumpkin there. Those are really popular this time of year. I love to see how kind of like the really clean, crisp whites and ivories are matched with the bold colors, especially with fall. Love the warm, beautiful, rich colors there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.